I just lost my drone in that. Oh. Yeah, so that happened. Yeah, that happened today. Let me give you a little context. Today I went out to shoot a movie, a smaller little movie or video, and it was going to be about happiness. Because some of you guys commented and you wanted to know why I'm happy all the time or kind of what works for me, so I really wanted to do a video on happiness. It was a great morning. I made coffee, I got up early-ish, headed out the door to this beautiful waterfall / trestle. And that's when things turned ugly. But the great thing about drones is that they have an SD card in them, so it saves the footage to the SD card, but it also saves it to your phone. So I can actually show you some of the drone footage I got today, and then we can talk about what went wrong. I decided that it was going to be a good idea to fly my drone in a very low service area. Now, if you know anything about drones, that's the first thing they say not to do. You need, I think it's like 8 to 12 bars. I had 2 to 4, and I'm even surprised the drone actually lifted off. But I decided, maybe a little bit overconfident, that I could do like this nice little shot through the crack of the trees, and you'll see the first part actually looked really good. There's just a lot in the shot, there's lots going on. The logs, I love those logs, the logs look beautiful. And and I think, I don't know if it was me, it might have been me, completely honest, it might have been me, but or it may have just kind of drifted because there wasn't much of a signal, but it hit the branch, and then it started spiraling down like a helicopter, like in the movies, like a Mission Impossible Tom Cruise movie, spiraling down, and I just froze, and it actually caught itself, and it started to level out, and I was pushing up the whole time, pushing up, come up, get away from the water, and it stopped, and then it just shot up, and it shot up into another tree, and then that's when it completely dropped. So that was my Saturday. That's how I enjoy my Saturdays. Initially I thought it fell all the way down to the bottom of the waterfall, but then I went and checked it out. I think that it might be over there. I'm gonna go scale this wall right here and see if I can find anything. You know also what sucks about that is that all of my filming was on the small SIM card that goes into the drone, so everything I shot today, ruined. And if it's not right there, then it's somewhere in the trees up there. But then after looking at a playback of what actually happened, I don't think that it fell down the waterfall. I think that there was like this couple little potholes of water, and I think that it fell into one of those. Of course, the only problem is I'm looking, and the rocks are really slippery. Well, if you look just down there, that's the waterfall, guys. So, I don't know. You know what happened? Is I got a little bit cocky. I got a little bit cocky with my drone skills, and then look what happens. And you know, this isn't the first time I crashed my drone. I actually crashed my drone yesterday. Crashed it into a tree. I think what would cheer me up right now is a Timmy's coffee. But not only a Timmy's coffee, if I won like the car, because it's roll up the rim. If you guys don't know what roll up the rim is, you roll the rim up and you can either like win a car, a TV, donut, another coffee. Everyone wants to win the car. You know, I would even be okay with like a donut. What do you take care of? Cheers. I I won a donut. I won a donut. Now, don't you worry, I am going to get a new drone. I can't go without a drone. So I think I'm actually gonna get the Mavic Air, the small little, almost like pocket-sized one, which will be really nice because it'll be able to fit in my backpack and I can take it on like hikes and walks. And I'll do, when I get it, I'll actually do a review for you guys. So I'll get that within the next 3 days. I'm gonna order it on Amazon. The next video will be the happiness video that I was working on today, but all of the footage got deleted, so I have to go reshoot some things tomorrow. And I guess this is as good as time as any. I do now have a Patreon account. And so if you would like to check that out, it will be in the link in the description below, or you just go to patreon.com. If you don't have Facebook, you can actually log in with Facebook. But if you don't have Facebook, you can just create an account. It takes about 30 seconds. All you need is your email, your password, and your name, basically. Your name, email, and password, and then you just have to fill out one of those I'm not a robot things. And then just type in my name. It's a really, really neat little intro video. You can just watch the intro video. If you feel like getting involved, you're more than welcome to do so, but if you just want to watch the video, I did some creative editing. You may get a laugh from it. But yeah, so that's the end of the video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed my my pain today and my suffering today. I hope that you did. Don't worry about it. I will get a new drone. Everything will be fine. But that is what happened today. So keep living the dream. Take care of yourselves. Until next time, bye-bye. Now my feet are wet. They're soaked. If I drop this camera, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna be so disappointed. Yep, feet are soaked. Totally soaked.